When you're looking for buried treasure, you're going to need a map to track it down. The same can be said for course building. When you're creating a new online course, a course development plan is your treasure map to success. A course development plan organizes each element of your e-learning course project. All of the different pieces are all collected under one common umbrella plan of action that will help keep both you and your team on track. Your plan should include project scope, scheduling, resources, budgeting, and anything and everything that will need to be put together from the ground up. Keeping all of these moving pieces separate and unsolidified will do nothing but complicate your course building process. If you're ready for a treasure hunt, head on over to the How to Create an Online Course Masterclass to start building your course development plan today.